Let's talk about how I prevent misfires with my muzzleloader. So the night before I shoot, whether it's going to be target or hunting, I prepare these guns the same way. I open them up. They could have been sitting for a while, but I wipe off the nipples and I make sure they're clear. And I don't know if you're going to be able to see through this over here, but yeah. So I can see light through them. And I'll pull this screw, and that's the same as this screw on this gun. So I got that out, and then I'm going to pull that nipple. So I'll make sure that's clear, and then down in the I think what they call the drum here, we get like Q-tips or pipe cleaners or whatever we got to do, and dry that out. And some guys will just like bust a half a dozen caps on that, but I prefer, even if you're going to do that, that you mechanically dry them out of all the oil, and then make sure your nipple's clear, and then swab the bore down real good, and get it good and dry. And then I got this copper anti-seize, I should say. My accent might be slipping out, but I'm gonna put that on all the threads here. Put it on this. We know this nipple's clear. We can get it on the threads here. And we'll do the same thing on the other gun, and then this will help get it back apart when the time comes. It also help to seal the threads if we want to soak these when we clean them up. But let's see. Tighten that up, not over tighten it. And I'll do the same thing on this one, and dry it out real good, and then we'll load it. I'll get them super dry by hand and patch them out, and I'll do the one thing I do when I dry out the bottom of the bore down the chamber area, I have a ball puller on the rod. I'll take this patch and roll it up. I'll roll it up. So I have this patch, and I have it this way because I'm going to turn that ball puller clockwise, and when this is down in there, the idea is that this is going to try to open itself up, and it'll push against the sides of the down there in the bottom by twisting it. So we'll put that in there and run it down to the bottom, and I can turn it, and I'm turning it clockwise. And a lot of times when you get that patch big enough, and you can feel this, actually, this will tighten up. Keep bumping the tripod, but I'll zoom out here. I turn this, it's tight now. You can see how it's tight now. So to get it out of there, I got to pull and tighten the bore, and it'll draw everything up out of there. That's tight. So that's how you clean the bottom of the barrel. Hope that helps. Thanks for stopping by.